Green garlic. It's a welcome sign of spring. As the days grow longer and the air warms, green garlic begins to emerge from the soil, bringing with it the promise of fresh, vibrant flavors. This vegetable offers a bright, fresh flavor that is a welcome change from the heavier foods of winter. But what exactly is green garlic? It's the immature version of regular garlic, harvested before the bulb fully forms. This means you can eat the entire stalk, leaves, stem, and all. Green garlic has a milder, more delicate flavor than mature garlic. Think of it as a cross between garlic and chives. It adds a delightful oniony zing to dishes without being overpowering. As the first shoots of green garlic push through the earth, they signal the end of winter's dormancy and the beginning of a new growing season. This tender vegetable is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. At farmers markets, you'll often find green garlic among the first fresh produce of the season, a harbinger of the bounty to come. Gardeners and farmers alike cherish this early crop for its unique flavor and culinary potential. Unlike mature garlic, which is left in the ground until the bulbs are fully developed, green garlic is harvested early, when the stalks are still tender and the flavor is at its peak. This early harvest means that green garlic is available for a limited time, making it a sought-after ingredient for chefs and home cooks alike. In the kitchen, green garlic can be used in a variety of ways. Its mild flavor makes it perfect for adding a subtle garlic taste to dishes without overpowering other ingredients. You can chop it and add it to salads, soups, and stir-fries, or use it as a garnish to add a fresh, green note to your meals. Think of it as a cross between garlic and chives, offering the best of both worlds. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, green garlic is a delightful addition to your culinary repertoire, adding a unique flavor that is both fresh and familiar. Let's compare green garlic and mature garlic. These two forms of garlic, though from the same plant, offer distinct flavors, textures, and culinary uses. Understanding their differences can elevate your cooking and help you make the most of each type. This will help you understand their differences. Mature garlic, which is harvested later in the season, has a more robust and pungent flavor. It's the garlic we commonly find in grocery stores and use in a variety of dishes. Mature garlic has a pungent, intense flavor. The bulb divides into multiple cloves, each packed with a strong aromatic punch. This makes it ideal for recipes that require a bold garlic presence. It comes from the bulb, which divides into cloves. These cloves can be used whole, minced, or crushed, depending on the desired intensity of flavor in your dish. We use it in dishes all year round. From hearty stews and roasts to simple pasta sauces, mature garlic is a kitchen staple that enhances the depth and complexity of flavors. Green garlic, on the other hand, is only available in spring. This young garlic is harvested before the bulb has fully developed, offering a unique, milder flavor profile. It has a milder, sweeter taste. The entire plant is edible, including the leaves, stem, and small bulb, making it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. We use the entire stalk, leaves, stem, and a small bulb. This makes green garlic perfect for adding a fresh, green note to dishes without overpowering other flavors. The flavor differences are significant. While mature garlic provides a deep, robust flavor, green garlic offers a lighter, more delicate taste that can brighten up salads, soups, and stir-fries. Green garlic adds a fresh green note to dishes. It's particularly delightful in springtime recipes, where its tender texture and mild flavor can truly shine. Mature garlic provides a deeper, more robust flavor. It's perfect for dishes that require a strong garlic presence, such as garlic bread, marinades, and hearty soups. Both have their place in the kitchen. By understanding when and how to use green garlic and mature garlic, you can enhance your culinary creations and enjoy the unique qualities each type brings to your dishes. Choosing the right green garlic is key. Look for firm stalks with vibrant green leaves. Avoid any with yellowing or wilted leaves. Storing green garlic is easy. Wrap it loosely in a damp paper towel. Place it in a plastic bag. Store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Remember, green garlic has a shorter shelf life than mature garlic. Use it within a week for the best flavor. Green garlic is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Use it in countless dishes, both raw and cooked. Finely chop the stalks and sprinkle them over salads. Add them to soups and stews for a subtle garlicky kick. Sauté them with vegetables for a flavorful side dish. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with green garlic in your favorite recipes. You'll be amazed by the flavor it adds. Section 5. A Symphony of Flavors Simple Green Garlic Recipes. Welcome to a delightful journey into the world of green garlic, where we explore its unique flavors and versatility in cooking. Today we will be sharing some simple yet delicious recipes that highlight the fresh and vibrant taste of green garlic. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these recipes are sure to inspire you to incorporate this wonderful ingredient into your meals. Let's try some simple recipes featuring green garlic. Green garlic, with its mild and slightly sweet flavor, is a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. It can be used in soups, pestos, and even as a seasoning for meats and vegetables. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any kitchen. These dishes are easy to make and bursting with flavor. The first recipe we'll be making is a comforting green garlic and potato soup. This soup is perfect for a cozy evening and is packed with nutrients and flavor. The combination of green garlic and potatoes creates a creamy and satisfying dish that is sure to please everyone at the table. Green garlic and potato soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped. The olive oil adds a rich base to the soup while the onion provides a sweet and savory depth of flavor. 2 pounds potatoes peeled and cubed, 4 cups vegetable broth. The potatoes give the soup its creamy texture and the vegetable broth enhances the overall taste, making it a hearty and wholesome meal. 1 bunch green garlic chopped. Green garlic is the star of this dish, providing a fresh and vibrant flavor that elevates the soup to a whole new level. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: seasoning is key to bringing out the best in this soup. A pinch of salt and pepper can make all the difference. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. This step is crucial as it forms the base of the soup, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Add the onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Cooking the onions until they are soft and translucent releases their natural sweetness, adding depth to the soup. Add the potatoes, vegetable broth, salt, and pepper. The potatoes and broth come together to create a rich and creamy base, while the seasoning enhances the overall flavor. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Simmering allows the flavors to develop and the potatoes to become tender and flavorful. Stir in the green garlic and cook for 1 minute more. Adding the green garlic at the end ensures that its fresh flavor is preserved, giving the soup a bright and vibrant taste. Puree the soup with an immersion blender or in a regular blender until smooth. Serve hot. Green garlic pesto. Ingredients: pureeing the soup creates a smooth and creamy texture that is both comforting and delicious. Now let's move on to our next recipe, green garlic pesto. 1 bunch green garlic, roughly chopped. Green garlic pesto is a versatile and flavorful sauce that can be used in a variety of dishes. Its fresh and vibrant taste makes it a perfect addition to pasta, grilled meats, and more. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese adds a rich and savory flavor to the pesto, complementing the fresh taste of the green garlic. 1/4 cup pine nuts. Pine nuts provide a creamy texture and a subtle nutty flavor that enhances the overall taste of the pesto. 1/4 cup olive oil. Olive oil is the base of the pesto, giving it a smooth and rich consistency. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: seasoning the pesto with salt and pepper brings out the best in the ingredients, creating a well-balanced and flavorful sauce. Combine all ingredients in a food processor and pulse until smooth. Blending the ingredients together creates a smooth and creamy pesto that is perfect for a variety of dishes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjusting the seasoning ensures that the pesto has a well-balanced flavor that complements any dish. Serve over pasta, grilled chicken, or fish. This versatile pesto can be used in a variety of ways, adding a fresh and vibrant flavor to any meal. These recipes showcase the unique flavor of green garlic. From soups to pestos, green garlic adds a fresh and vibrant taste to any dish. They're sure to become new favorites in your kitchen. Enjoy experimenting with green garlic and discovering new ways to incorporate this wonderful ingredient into your cooking. Happy cooking! Section 6. Health benefits of green garlic, a nutritional powerhouse. Green garlic is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It offers a range of health benefits. It's a good source of vitamins C and K. It also contains antioxidants, which may help protect against cell damage. Some studies suggest that green garlic may have anti-inflammatory properties. It may also help boost the immune system. Section 7. Green garlic, a versatile ingredient for global cuisines. Green garlic transcends culinary borders. It's a staple ingredient in various cuisines worldwide. In Chinese cuisine, green garlic adds a fragrant touch to stir-fries and dumplings. In Vietnamese cuisine, it flavors spring rolls and pho. green garlic adds a unique dimension to dishes from around the globe. Its versatility knows no bounds. Section 8. Cultivating your own green garlic from garden to table. Want to enjoy the freshest green garlic possible? Grow your own. It's easier than you think. Plant garlic cloves in the fall, harvest the green garlic stalks in the spring. You'll have a fresh supply right at your fingertips. Growing your own green garlic is rewarding. It allows you to savor the true essence of this springtime delicacy. Section 9. A culinary gem. Embracing the versatility of green garlic. Green garlic is a culinary gem. Its unique flavor, versatility, and health benefits make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, embrace the possibilities of green garlic. Experiment with it in your favorite recipes. From simple sautés to flavorful soups, green garlic elevates every dish it graces. So, head to your local farmer's market and experience the magic of green garlic today.